This is my Vietnamese inspired curry sauce that I use at least a few times a week for lunch, and it's very easy to make, especially if you used frozen vegetables in it. And I'm getting ahead of myself. What's the recipe here? This is simple ingredients you can find in any Asian store. First off, I halve the celery, then I cut it into thin slices. The finer they are, the shorter time they have to cook. And it's exactly the same principle with the bell pepper. I stack 4 pieces, 4 quarters on top of each other, slice them into thin slices too. The carrot, I make a base for it to stand on, and then I cut that into thin slices. And you can cut it this way, but that has a tendency to slide. You can cut it this way if it's a really big carrot. Normally I just cut it like this. You get long thin strips, and you can hold on to it at the same time. Again, with the onion, we want long thin strips to minimize the cooking time. So this way, and like the spokes on a wheel, cut it. That's it, they're done. Coconut milk, it's a fat coconut milk. Curry, soy sauce, fish sauce, just stir. Add the vegetables and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And that's probably one of the easiest sauces you can do, and all that's left now is to serve and eat. So that's very easy. Enjoy. And you can find the list of ingredients and the recipe on kvalifood.